See guys, that's how you guys do it.
He does it one time.
Hey, shh, don't say that. Don't listen to her, guys. I do it many times.
I'ma go ahead and switch this month. Underdog in this shit, I'm run. I'm insane, you saying I'm run. Gonna go pop and jump the gun. I'ma go Phoenix like the Suns. I'ma go down and run it up. It ain't over till it's done. Kick this bitch just like a punt. What you need it, yeah. Buy it, then receive it, yeah. Give it, then receive it.
What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you coming back. Today we're at Warner Brothers Studios tour. Check it out. Say what's that?
Number 3, Tweety Beard. Tweety Beard?
What?
I said Tweety Beard.
So yeah, we're at the tour. Never been here, so super excited. Ooh.
A few moments later.
So we're already inside before we do the tour. It's like a little map of what it looks like. Cheers. Dude, this is crazy. This is a glove. The $1 million baby glove. That's crazy. Going to the tour now. We're just walking in here before we go outside to the tour. We're about to take off. Excited? Excited? Are you guys excited?
How's the
She said yeah.
That's loud. That's really
Yeah.
loud. That is definitely working.
Take off.
How's that volume in the back? Good?
Good.
Alright, and the mirrors are good?
Let's go.
Amazing. So that's our lagoon. And what Aaron is saying, yes. So as opposed to Alison De Laurentiis' house, which was a facade, this cabin up ahead is a practical set.
Thanks, Pete.
Yes, the walls over here. That brick is made out of styrofoam plastic, and your tile over here is made out of wood. All fake, all made in our mill.
I try to hide because you can't really video record here, so I'm trying to pretend I'm taking pictures, so hopefully she don't say anything. Yeah, this is pretty dope. We're probably gonna go to another one right now.
Superhero Batman fan, you are looking at the original Gotham City Police Department in the 1960s Batman. They reconstructed the house so the cast could come and take pictures. Let's see.
Aluminum or tin is constructed. The staff department contains over 60,000 architectural molds and is where we make fake brick, rock, and stone walls for film and television. The design studio underneath us has large-scale printers that allow us to print billboards for marketing and backdrops for productions, while graphic artists design signs and imagery here. On an average day, there are 200 to 300 people here at the mill.
Alright, well look, we'll go to a different set. It's cool, we're adaptable here. We are as adaptable as they come. It is built with a single camera, and so an hour show with a single cam, based on how many shots the house.
It's hard not to record inside because she's just watching.
Definitely summer.
So we're trying to keep it low key enough.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, a lot picking up.
You know?
Tell them about the comment.
We'll tell them later. Because right now she's probably,
Yeah, they have more clothes
probably looking
on
right
the
now.
lawn.
This one girl doesn't know
They
how to
do,
drive
yeah,
this
definitely.
fucking
You
cart.
get trained in every area, so it's like
She
you have to
took
spend the
literally
full hour in
5 minutes to
one
park this little
section.
cart here.
You gotta.
We'll tell you guys later. So this is the fence. You can't record, but oh fuck. We break the law over here.
We can go in there.
Zero. I should say. The scorpion? It's all the weapons.
Oh, let's cut this guy's head off. And you're like, they only have like 3 of his shirts. They don't have 20 shirts. You have to really be able to
Brother, that one is
sometimes.
You really were there to solve any problem that came up.
Mars Attack.
That's your job.
On Interstellar, when Chris came to me and said, we have to physically design and build the interior of a black hole.
That dress was worn by Lady Gaga. It's pretty.
You had a movie if you don't have a
Never seen that movie?
one that grips you.
No. I mean, I heard of it, but I never watched it.
Actors can get into, directors can have fun with all of that.
No? What is it? Aiden? Selena. Why's the one? This one was worn by J-Lo. Selena. About to take a picture. Thanks. Excited or what? No, a little bit. Almost next. Excited?
me. I'm already like.
It's already posting. What? What are the sound effects? What are the sound effects? Yeah. Can you imagine how many asses been sitting there? I'm like, can you imagine how many asses sitting there?
Wow.
Alright, so now we're gonna do the Big Bang Theory pictures. It's pretty cool. My favorite TV show is 2.5 Men. What's your favorite TV show? Friends?
Yeah.
Mine's 2.5 Men. I don't think they have anything for that. Let's see. What?
What? They don't have 2.5 what?
I don't think so. 2.5 Men?
You didn't see it over there?
No. What is that?
Huh? It was like, I don't know, in the movie The Stars Born.
Oh. Alright, so now we're going back to Naomi. Trying to be single? We're about to go to the fountain where they made like the friends. It's been pretty cool. Was it? No? She don't like it. She's hot already, so.
You're hot, yeah.
I'm chilling. I'm posted. I'm not funny.
You're not even
Take whoever's next.
Thank you. Beautiful. I know. Oh shit, this is the... Damn, this is the actual costume. It's crazy. Mr. Freeze. This is the one that Arnold Schwarzenegger wore.
In this universe, there's only one absolute. Everything.
That's the actual costume of Heath Ledger. That's crazy. 2016.
You remember that?
Superhero.
Huh?
2017. 2017. It's crazy. Like the material is crazy. Yeah, 1999. That's crazy, that's the costume. Just the rooms.
Alright, okay, I'll get it.
These Lego figures from the Lego movie.
14. Alright, so we just finished the tour. Now we're just getting Starbucks in here before we leave. Got myself a shirt, you already know. So what's up?
Miawa.
So you got a water. Oh.
I'm still with the can in its arms. Because you're such a copycat.
Excuse me? You copied me.
Bro, I started getting that before you.
You copied me.
Before I even met you.
Oh, right here.
Maybe somebody else put me on. I'm just kidding. Hey,
You know
gonna
what?
show me fours. You're gonna show me everything.
Sorry, guys.
Halloween.
So we tell them about this lady. So, okay, how about you tell me?
We're laughing. With me, we were laughing.
So we're laughing and like we're on the back. We're just like laughing and talking shit because they don't know how to park. And then out of nowhere, the little car started making noise, like squeaky noise. And she's like, "I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry." And then she threw shade. She was like, "Yeah, the car's making noise because we're kind of heavy."
She's like something about weight, no sé qué tanto.
She's like, "Yeah, the car's making weight. It's because we're heavy. I'm carrying a lot of weight." That's what she said, huh?
Yeah.
I'm carrying a lot of weight. I was like, "This bitch."
I was like, ooh.
I'm like, homegirl already got her license today.
Me. She shut me up real quick when she said that. I was like, like too close to home.
You know, I was trying to record, but she was looking back. She was turning. She was like, so I couldn't record that much. But I hope you guys enjoy that little tour.
Little, because you couldn't even record.
For I tried to record like the inside. Ooh, that was fun. Anyways, I tried to, picture Ed Sheeran.
¿Tú puedes what?
I was like, picture Ed Sheeran.
How do you say?
Picture Ed Sheeran. Ed Sheeran.
It's Ed Sheeran.
I'm Ed Sheeran. I'm from the United Kingdom.
You said Ed Sheeran. Ed Sheeran. Hi.
Look at my baby though. Talk about you.
I was already
I got you, don't worry.
Hello.
Hey, where'd you go? See guys, that's how you guys do it.
He does it one time.
Hey, shh, don't say that. Don't listen to her, guys. I do it many times.